This is one of the available climate control panels for your vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with a different climate control system, see your owner's manual for additional information. System functions are displayed on the screen in the center of the controls when you press the Climate button. The Auto mode may be used all year round. To turn on, press this button for automatic cooling or dehumidified heating. It will automatically regulate and maintain fan speed, airflow, and temperature in the cabin. The Auto mode can be turned off by pressing the Defroster or airflow control buttons, or by turning the fan speed control dial. To reactivate, press the Auto button again. Turn the temperature control dial left for cooler or right for warmer air. The airflow control buttons provide a choice of airflow outlets. Press to select. Your choice will be confirmed when its indicator light illuminates. Air will flow from the defroster and foot vents, from center and side vents, from center, side, and foot vents, or mainly from foot vents. In hot or humid conditions, a visible mist may be seen coming from the vents. This does not indicate a malfunction. To recirculate air inside your vehicle, press the Air Recirculation button and an indicator light will illuminate. This helps AC efficiency and helps block outside odors from entering the cabin. Press the Outside Air Circulation button to draw in fresh outside air. When either mode is selected and you press its button for more than 1.5 seconds, both indicator lights will flash twice and the air intake will be controlled automatically. Please be aware that while in defrost modes, the air recirculation feature will not activate. Allowing outside air in helps the defrosting process. To manually control fan speed, turn this dial left or right. To manually turn the air conditioner on or off, press the AC button. To defrost or defog front and side windows, press the Defroster button. The indicator light will illuminate. Airflow will be directed to the front and side windows. The AC turns on automatically to help dehumidify the cabin and clear the windshield faster. However, if you wish to turn the AC off, simply press the AC button for approximately 2 seconds. For windshield de-icing, your temperature selector should be turned to maximum heat. Also, using the manual fan control, turn your fan speed to high. To defrost or defog the rear window and, if so equipped, the outside mirrors, push the rear window defroster switch. The indicator light will illuminate. After defrosting, push to turn off. If not turned off manually, this feature will automatically deactivate in a period of time. The icon system allows you to further adjust climate controls by selecting the Climate Eco mode, which when activated will alter the operation of the climate control system to enhance fuel economy. To select the Climate Eco mode, press the Drive Mode Select button, then press the Setup button. Turn the selection dial until Climate Eco mode is selected. Then press the center of the dial to toggle between on and off. When Climate Eco mode is on, the indicator on the display will turn red. Some of the climate controls are not functional when the icon system is in drive mode, but they can be accessed by pressing the Climate button. The temperature knob remains functional in both modes. Press the Off button to turn the system off. There is a temperature sensor located on top of the dashboard near the windshield that helps regulate the automatic climate control settings. Please keep this area clear of papers and other materials. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.